Field effect transistor, FET.
Field effect transistor, FET. These types of transistors control and determine the shape and size of the channel based on the unipolar voltage. In fact, FET transistors perform the role of voltage control. Field effect transistors have much less energy consumption and heat loss than connected bipolar types. Also, the amount of noise and sound of these transistors and the amount of their input impedance is higher than the types of connected bipolars. Two types of junction field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor are types of field effect transistors. Also, JFETs are divided into two categories, JFET N-channel and JFET P-channel. MOSFETs are classified into two categories, depletion mode and enhancement mode.